Okay, let's take a look at some simple inequalities here. One-step inequalities. I'm going to have my variable here, x divided by 5, is less than or equal to 15. The way I undo division, so to speak, would be by multiplying by 5. The opposite of division is multiplication, so if I'm dividing by 5, I'm going to multiply both sides by 5 here. Whatever I do to one side of the inequality here, I have to do to the other side. It's like an equation, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. Multiply by 5. These cancel, leave me with just x. Okay. Notice if you multiply or divide by -1, you got to change the sign, but that's not the case here. Okay. So x is less than or equal to 15 times 5. I believe it's 50 plus 25 is 75. There's my final answer. Okay. So what would that look like on a number line? I'll have to use really big numbers here. If this was 0, I'll just go 25, 50, 75. It'd be way out here. Big numbers. Usually you see 1s and 2s there, but these are big numbers. My solution set would look something like this. I'll draw it with a big yellow pen. Less than or equal to means it's a solid dot, so I'm making it solid, and this would be how I highlight going that way. Okay, there's my solution set for this one. Okay, hope that helps. Now let's take a look at another one here. Solve this one in blue. Okay. 8 plus 7 is greater than or equal to 10. The way I'm going to do that is I'm going to subtract 7. Oops, can't write very well. Subtract 7 from both sides. These go away and leave me with a greater than or equal to 10 minus 7 is 3. There's my answer. Okay, number line would look like this. Okay, a is greater than or equal to 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Greater than or equal to 3. Again, I'll choose a big fat highlighter here. It's solid because it's greater than or equal to, and then I'll highlight going this way. There's my solution set for that one. All right, moving on. Let's go up a little bit here. Okay. 1/3 x is greater than 6. Okay, if I had multiplied by 1/3, okay, the way to do that, 1/3 times x is the same as dividing by 3. I could write this as x divided by 3. It's greater than 6. Okay, if I wanted to undo the division, I could multiply by 3, so let's do that. 3 divided by 3 cancels. I'm left with just x. That's what I wanted. Greater than 6 times 3 is 18. Pretty straightforward. There's my answer. Here's your number line. I'll just draw it all the way out to 0, 5, 10, 15, 18 would be somewhere in here. There's my 18 right there. This is greater than. Let's change that actually. Let's change this here. Let's just say this is 18 right here. Okay, it's greater than or equal to 18. Notice here what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw this with an open circle here, and it's greater than 18. We always go to the right is greater than. There's my solution set for that one. Okay, open circle means it is greater than but not equal to, so it does not include this point right here. It includes every point north of that. Okay, there we go.